Child custody disputes are emotionally charged. They often bring out the worst in people, as emotions run high and stakes are incredibly personal. These situations are often complex, involving numerous legal documents, court appearances, and consultations with lawyers. Temporary restraining orders, or TROs, and no-contact orders add another layer of complexity. These orders are designed to provide immediate protection. These legal tools are designed to protect individuals from harm or harassment, ensuring their safety during tumultuous times. They are especially important in situations involving children, where the primary concern is the child's well-being and safety. However, TROs can be misused. In some cases, they are employed as strategic tools in custody battles, rather than for genuine protection. This misuse can lead to unfair outcomes, causing further emotional and legal complications for all parties involved. This essay will explore the world of TROs in child custody cases. We will delve into their origins, benefits, and risks. We will examine how these orders came to be, their intended purpose, and the potential pitfalls they present. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge. Understanding the intricacies of TROs can help you navigate these challenging legal waters. Knowledge is power when dealing with these challenging legal situations. Being informed can make a significant difference in the outcome. Navigating the legal system can be daunting. The sheer volume of paperwork and legal jargon can be overwhelming. This is especially true during a divorce or separation. Emotions run high, and every decision feels monumental. The stakes are incredibly high when children are involved. Their future and well-being hang in the balance. Restraining orders are meant to provide a safety net. They are designed to offer immediate protection in volatile situations. They offer protection from harm or harassment, ensuring that individuals can feel safe and secure. It is critical to understand that TROs are not a magic solution. They have limitations and must be used appropriately. They can be powerful tools for good, providing necessary protection and peace of mind. However, they can also be misused. When used improperly, they can cause more harm than good, leading to unjust outcomes and further conflict. A coach with ChildCustodyUniversity.com can help a parent navigate the process, providing guidance and support through these challenging times. To understand temporary restraining orders, or TROs, we must look back at their origins and trace their evolution through history. Restraining orders have deep roots in English common law, a system that has influenced many legal traditions around the world. Initially, these orders were used primarily to maintain public order and ensure community peace. Think of them as tools to prevent duels or stop neighborhood brawls, which were common in earlier times. Over time, the use of restraining orders evolved significantly, adapting to the changing needs of society. By the 20th century, restraining orders began to address more personal and interpersonal conflicts, reflecting a shift in societal concerns. This included serious issues such as domestic violence and harassment, which required immediate and effective legal intervention. As society continued to change, so did the legal system, adapting to new challenges and the evolving understanding of personal safety. Courts began to recognize the critical need to protect individuals, especially in the context of family disputes and conflicts. This recognition led to the use of TROs in sensitive cases, such as child custody disputes, where the safety of family members was paramount. These orders provided a crucial way to shield families from potential harm, offering a legal means of protection. This protection was especially critical while legal matters were being sorted out, ensuring that vulnerable individuals remained safe during tumultuous times. While the fundamental purpose of TROs is consistent, their application varies. Laws governing restraining orders differ significantly from state to state. This creates a complex legal landscape. This can be confusing for those seeking protection or facing accusations. For instance, California closely links TROs to child custody disputes. In contrast, Texas requires separate filings for custody matters. The burden of proof also fluctuates. New York might only require reasonable fear. Meanwhile, Texas might demand concrete evidence like documented threats. These variations highlight the need for expert legal advice tailored to your specific state. In volatile situations, TROs offer immediate protection. Imagine a parent fearing for their safety or a child at risk of harm. A TRO creates a legal barrier. It establishes clear boundaries that everyone must follow. For children caught in the middle, this stability is paramount. Courts often use TROs to ensure the child's well-being. This is especially true while long-term custody arrangements are being determined. The goal is to provide a safe and stable environment for the child. This is crucial during a time of family upheaval. Section 5. The double-edged sword risks and misuse of restraining orders. While temporary restraining orders serve as vital safeguards, they are not without flaws. One of the most concerning issues is their potential for misuse. In the high-stakes world of custody battles, emotions run high. Sadly, some individuals might exploit temporary restraining orders for their own advantage. Imagine a parent making false allegations to gain an upper hand in a custody dispute. This misuse can result in an innocent parent being separated from their child. This separation can last for weeks, months, or even longer. The damage inflicted on the parent-child relationship can be significant and long-lasting. A coach with ChildCustodyUniversity.com can help a parent navigate the process and avoid these pitfalls. Section 6. Fighting back strategies for legal defense against false allegations. Facing a temporary restraining order, TRO, based on false accusations can be terrifying and overwhelming. The emotional toll it takes can be immense, leaving you feeling isolated and helpless. It's crucial to remember that you have rights, and understanding these rights is the first step towards defending yourself effectively. You can fight back against these allegations with determination and the right legal strategy. It's important to approach the situation methodically. The first and most vital step is to remain calm. Taking deep breaths and finding a moment of peace can help you think more clearly. Panic will only complicate matters and cloud your judgment. Staying composed allows you to make rational decisions. Comply with the order, even if you believe it's unjust. Following the legal process is essential to demonstrate your respect for the law. Violating the TRO will only hurt your case and could lead to more severe consequences. It's important to show that you are willing to follow legal protocols. Next, gather evidence that refutes the claims against you. This evidence is crucial in building a strong defense. This might include text messages, emails, or social media posts that can disprove the allegations. Document everything meticulously. Witness testimonies can be invaluable. People who can vouch for your character and provide an alibi can make a significant difference. Seek out individuals who can attest to your character. Their statements can help paint a clearer picture of your true nature. They can corroborate your version of events, providing a more balanced view of the situation. Having a strong defense is crucial in these situations. Work closely with your attorney to prepare a comprehensive strategy that addresses all aspects of the allegations. Section 7. Dealing with the high-conflict co-parent. Navigating interactions with a co-parent who is consistently uncooperative or hostile can be one of the most challenging aspects of child custody disputes. Such situations often escalate tensions and increase the risk of false allegations and misuse of temporary restraining orders, TROs. However, with the right strategies, you can manage these interactions more effectively and protect both your and your child's well-being. First and foremost, prioritize clear and respectful communication. When dealing with a high-conflict co-parent, it's crucial to keep your interactions as civil as possible. Use neutral language and avoid engaging in arguments or making personal attacks. Focus conversations on your child's needs and well-being, rather than past grievances or personal issues. Setting boundaries is another essential strategy. Establish clear guidelines for communication, including acceptable times and methods for contact. Stick to these boundaries consistently, and make sure your co-parent understands and respects them as well. This can help prevent unnecessary conflicts and reduce the stress associated with constant confrontations. It's also important to document all interactions meticulously. Keep records of texts, emails, and even brief phone calls. This documentation can serve as evidence if disputes arise or if you need to defend yourself against false allegations. Being organized and prepared can make a significant difference in legal proceedings. In some cases, seeking legal assistance may be necessary. If your co-parent's behavior becomes threatening or abusive, don't hesitate to consult with your attorney. They can provide guidance on how to protect yourself and your child legally, including the possibility of obtaining a TRO if warranted. Remember, dealing with a high-conflict co-parent requires patience, resilience, and a strategic approach. By implementing these strategies, you can create a more stable and secure environment for your child, while also safeguarding your own well-being. A coach with ChildCustodyUniversity.com can also help you navigate this process, providing additional support and guidance. Section 7. Proactive Measures Preventing TRO Misuse in Custody Disputes. Prevention is often the best defense against TRO misuse. By taking proactive steps, you can minimize the risk of false accusations. You can also create a more stable environment for yourself and your child. One crucial strategy is to maintain civil communication with your co-parent. Keep your interactions respectful. Focus on your child's well-being. Avoid engaging in arguments or making personal attacks. Document everything. This includes texts, emails, and even brief phone calls. Section 8. Conclusion. Striking a balance between protection and potential harm. Temporary restraining orders and no-contact orders are powerful tools. When used appropriately, they shield vulnerable individuals and families from harm. They provide a sense of security during challenging times. However, like any tool, they can be misused. This misuse can have devastating consequences, particularly in child custody cases. The key takeaway is balance. TROs should be viewed as a last resort. They should only be used when there is a genuine risk of harm. False accusations can have long-term detrimental effects on families. It's crucial to approach these matters with caution and seek legal guidance to navigate the complexities. Section 9. A final word: empowerment through knowledge and strategic action. Understanding the nuances of restraining orders is empowering. Knowledge is your shield and your sword in these situations. By recognizing their purpose, limitations, and potential for misuse, you can better protect yourself and your children. Remember to document everything. Remain calm and collected, especially when dealing with high-conflict individuals. Seek legal counsel to understand your rights and options fully. And most importantly, always prioritize the well-being of your children throughout these challenging legal processes. Your informed actions can make all the difference in securing a safe and stable future for your family. A coach with ChildCustodyUniversity.com can help you navigate the process effectively.